Alright, Busiyama Okaba me on Fambra Ghana and Sem TV. So imagine say what Accra, Niama Oba school, Ewo Afram planes, na Oko day. Imagine say what Accra, Niama Oba school, Ewo Bole Bamboy, na Oko day. Imagine say what Accra, Niama Oba school, Ewo Volta region na Oko day. Imagine say what Accra, Niama Oba school, Ewo Eastern region, Western North, Ashanti, Bono region, Afo, Savannah, Upper East, Upper West, Volta region na Oko day. This is what a parent echo through many waka say uko piemu ewa nat hall ewa Accra ebusuya esewani ense okachwe na nipa abodompim ama adia ensi dano for the first time in the history of Ghana esi under His Excellency John Dramani Mahama abaimu na when himself free education ya adia na nado dan kwa ekufo ado de ba ya ode ba ye say embe bua na ehiafo embabununfo ene omo anka sikasam nti no omo wie school omo ntimi nto aso no omo nyina betimi enya education ehon faso eno nti na nado dan kwa ekufo ado preman ado gagai edi free education ebaye mena wo kasa ba nado dan kwa ekufo ado ye free abayem no na nipa over 5.1 million and are benefiting from free senior high now so ende John Dramani Mahama ebaye no free education no first batch omo abeko enie ene se aye buachi bidin no ne nyina ne se Ghana for ye nkofobia so odin na ye ka asem kira ye ntie na so ansa na me meka nsem a kire kire onsem hu na won hu ahawa awofo ekom ene me ne ka se ekopia mu ewo eye na to ola ene ma me bidi nkomo na nsem odi to dwa no o kire se ne ba no ewo Accra school a otusu ye no kra ama ne bio Afram Prince Grand School otusu ye ho na ama na Afram Prince no na sama ne day school we die ote ase anya yie na mbusuya haya Ghana nsem ti mestre so be subscribe to channel on the amaye uwi a comment na kire wadwen na we nso a like na share ma onua business aka bebusia yengo tese mama me ne de to dwa na ewi a ya be de ho nkomo yenko mbra
me sure me de nam ka me wo Accra me ba ni nya school wo Afram Praise day school ni ma me ni wo ne papa ni wo ye ni mo bia ho ena se de omo chese na Afram Praise hot no wo fa kala wo be kwesi nkokọ wa fo nkokọ wa kokọ ukrom don kokrom ansa no wa kwa akofo panton etwensu akọ school ho no school no si day school ontimi fa Accra ha enko embede bia ntimi by education office omo nsesa school ni ye de mami na omo mami boarding omo age me ba ni bibia se Thursday me nkwa cheke mekwa na omo asesa me call ye still na omo ye de sesa ntimi esia bana me be hu dia eko ntimi sra omo munye bibi mfa ho maye
na Afram Prince ho no choose
we choose ho
na mo de kwa ma
yeah
itire na okata aban kache
timi kacha aban sampane chonse san school ni ya de ma awofo na ye brepa because obi wan mo wa Accra okwo day school ewo Afram Praise enye obi onu ma voter enya hwe nti wonye bibi mfa ho maye ma
enti eba ne so omo ntimi anye hu bibi a den na opese ka bibi e be ka aban na koma say de nti e wo say wo de ne yenye hwe nhwe no mo nyama wo
media no san said am pede wonye bibi mfa ho no no kwaye men ntum saa sika na me de be ko abane adaje no nti eso onye bibi mfa media no man pastor men no be fi Accra no be do Afram Praise we ko sua de we ko we sua de ewie tambe no be fi ho no no nso aye de aba nti mesra no onhwe no onye bibi mfa
okay that's
all right yema wakwa babiom Sanfam Braga na Nsem TV eso me say se oto ababone a obre sanso ne mpanyifo se wo obabone a ana wo babone a wote wo ba bi nka we dey se woto ababone a wankasa obre na wo sofa obekai say 2008 na do dan kwa ekufu ado e ka kire Ghana fo say se Ghana fo to abama na obema Ghana man panyini a odi eyeduma bi dia wato ne din say free senior high school say akola bi obekọ eye senior high school bia no enya ade a wo say otua eye teku anate sempoa eno nti no 2008 na do dan kwa ekufu ado e ka say oba or the free senior high school building ebeba 2008 to aba no eye draw e run off no and the National Democratic Congress that time no na your professor John Evans Fifi atamu so nya be ko yakopon fa ne kra ense yo no ono na na the lead the National Democratic Congress na John Dramani Mahama any running mate omo win ya ye so omo in 2009 January 7th e mo mba be Ghana man panyin ne Ghana man panyin abedi echiwe ye didi mo 26th of July 2012 and Ghana man panyin John Evans Fifi atamu was e kan chine guru abana aduane ese so onya ne be bi e koye ya na nyumbe na ye so in John Dramani Mahama, the President of the Republic of Ghana. 2012 yekoto aba no abano John Dramani Mahama wini e kopie mu court nanso after court this decision no e koye 5-4 e de Mahama 2016 na de nanko kofa nanso sisu biom say oba free education ya ade a obeden obeye samwe no na John Dramani Mahama kan say Ghanaians odie hwe bebe video bi kra kire wo menka sa video yi ebe kan nsem a NDC ka fa free education mu nyina kire wo na hwe sa video we wi a ema de ma no aba besi na ma kire wo de ntia ne Ghana for ebre ebia na ye Gen Z into nim the NDC ka fa free education no na so videos we ebe kire wo de ntia ne free education no aye bola 419 free education 419. Second video when so ye add better omo ye di tiaye share no so
na me de me beya be o e pa twa no kra wo mu ni say you need enough classrooms you need enough dormitories you need enough
bed
you need enough science process to me pa show
okay
Headmistress, but all kind of free senior high school, I have one the road TV, so radio see. And just said, you okay.
Ope Munankasa, JDM, aka Jon Bosco.
That Ghana must not introduce free SHS on the whimsical promise of a desperate politician. Many mistakes have been made by countries in Africa already with free SHS.
Sauti Jon Bosco say Ghana must not introduce free senior high school on a whimsical promise of a desperate politician. Many countries in Africa have already tried it and failed. That was 2016. A lot of you guys want to about 2024. 2016, that is 9 years ago. Now we are kola. And the catch that we went here. A lot of you guys were like 8, 9, 10 years, 11, 12. So we went here. And they all call. Yes, what to also won't call. Free call. Ezu. Me say otu ababonia wote wo be bi nka ho ebi nie or say Ghanaians should not introduce free senior high school on the whimsical promise of a desperate politicians. So many countries in Africa have already tried and failed. And as a free education, Ghana is going to take us 20 years. In 2020, he said, so 2 billion Ghana cedis he's not going to invest all in education. Saying about your education, free education 20 minutes. So he's not going to do that. In 2024, this person came to you and told you, say, met me about ye. Bro, met me about ye as a nipana obey yeno, and you believe him. I have a phone here, Kitami. Now, the panica so bet me your phone, may say, on to me yet. Now, I bet him cry a year, a bet taking a year 20 years. Now, what you need, dear Aman Bacono, 2 million about your phone way. My back catch that was say. Met me about your phone number, a very fast, as you know your phone. No. Now what Ginedi? Now what Ginedi? That is the reason why we are where we are today. Because Abrebia near my mom for the adwin, a dear grow. A mama for the adwin, dear grow. And that's where we are today. That is why we are where we are today. Sorry. Sometimes I'll say I train it very fast. You see, there are some people that they cannot come and lie to you unless you are not ready to listen to the truth. But if you are, it is very hard for that person to lie to you because when you don't be trying to try it and find you. But it's good. So now, who shall we do now? I'm share now the first one. I'm going to Accra. Now go Afram planes. Now before I could see on Coco. Offer car feeling Coco, Akoko, and son of Offer. Sana from Coco, and before I could see maybe a yes, I go to say any day train soon. I call Afram planes. Boga. Now, Bani Kodea or Kodea. Naturally, I was all pay hostel man. There's a banon coffee education be more, he pay. Yes. There's a banon coffee education beyond the person they pay. You know, you're too much for them when I said, or quantity. Can I fast what ding? That's what ding. We told you people several times, said Charlie, these people we know them. don't make any mistake and vote for this people. Musu yo efe Jimmy nko. We efe yakwa ansem ko. We dey lie. Then. But you know be say we dey lie. Now that be the honest truth where we dey tell you. That be the honest truth oh. Now we dey tell you. See where we are today. See where we are today. But it is very good that one start here regretting them. It's very, very good. It's very, very good. Alright, I'm going to say I got some TV. I'm just so. Any promise.